Well, it's been pretty warm out there this afternoon. Highs in the low to mid 90s across much of South Mississippi. Pascagoula coming in at 93 this afternoon, as well as Saussure. Bay St. Louis were at 91 in Biloxi and Gulfport. Picayune as well. Poplarville came in at 95. Bogalusa at 96. We also have had a little bit of rain over the past 7 days, although it isn't very much, about a trace to a couple hundredths of an inch. Where you see a transition to green here, that's about a half an inch. So really not looking at too much out there. Poplarville coming in at about a quarter of an inch as well. So that doesn't really do much for our dry conditions over the last 30 days. We are down about 3 to 4 inches, especially from Gulfport to Pascagoula. Bay St. Louis down about 2 inches. Saussure as well as about 3.5. Some areas up to the north just shy of about 1 inch to 2 inches. But either way you look at it, it's been dry. It's been dry for the last month. September and October, normally our driest months out there. So we're hoping to get a little bit of rain this week that will put a dent in some of these dry and even moderate drought conditions that have started to creep their way into South Mississippi. Overall, we do have that rain chance by the middle of this week, and that'll be about 30 to 50% by the afternoon. So hoping to nail down some amounts for that will make a little bit of a dent in that rainfall deficit. Overall, our Singing River forecast tonight is staying pretty quiet and comfortable. Lows right around 72, mostly clear skies continuing, and much of the same tomorrow. We will see a good bit of mix of clouds and sun through the afternoon. You'll definitely notice a little bit more humidity and probably a little bit more cloud cover by the afternoon, which is why high temperatures topping out in the upper 80s rather than the low 90s like we saw this weekend with all of that sunshine out there. So overall, the next couple of days are staying fairly dry, but the change up comes as we head into the middle of the week, where we see Wednesday and Thursday that rain chance jumping from about 30 to 60%. So that's good out there. We're hoping to get at least a little bit of rain to help that rainfall deficit. That will limit high temperatures then into the mid 80s across much of the area. We may see some lower 80s as well. If we do get rain throughout much of the day on Thursday, then we could even see temperatures lower than 87. Overnight though, still looking fairly comfortable. It will be a little bit muggy the next couple of nights with lows in the low 70s. Dew points will be kind of right about that 70-degree mark, but then we'll start to cool down or at least dry out as we head from Friday into next weekend. Again, high temperatures going to be in the upper 80s. That's fairly seasonal for this point in September, and overall overnights are still looking at mid 60s to upper 60s, so that's feeling pretty good as well.